Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we tackle some of the toughest cleaning jobs out there. Today, I'm diving into the world of pressure washing heavy machinery and vehicles. This is a task that can seem daunting, but with the right tips and techniques, it can be a breeze. Whether it's a bulldozer covered in mud or a truck that's seen better days, a pressure washer can be your best friend. These machines are built to handle the toughest grime and dirt, making your job much easier. Let's make those machines sparkle. There's nothing quite like seeing a piece of heavy machinery gleaming in the sunlight after a thorough cleaning. First things first, make sure your pressure washer is in top-notch shape. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring it performs well every time you use it. If you're using a gas-powered one, check the fuel. Running out of gas mid-cleaning can be frustrating and interrupt your workflow. And if it's electric, make sure it's plugged in with a good power cord. A faulty connection can not only hinder performance but also pose a safety risk. Safety first, folks. Always wear protective gear like gloves, goggles, and sturdy footwear to protect yourself from high-pressure water and flying debris. Now let's talk about pressure settings. Higher pressure can blast away tough grime, but it can also damage paint if you're not careful. It's important to find the right balance to avoid causing any harm to the surfaces you're cleaning. Start low and gradually increase the pressure as needed. This way you can gauge the effectiveness without risking damage. Got some stubborn spots? Pre-treat those areas with a detergent or degreaser made for pressure washers. These products are designed to break down tough dirt and grime, making it easier to wash away. This will help break down the dirt and make your job easier. Let the detergent sit for a few minutes to really penetrate the grime before you start washing. When you're ready to get washing, hold that nozzle at least 6 inches away from the surface. Use a sweeping motion to avoid damage and keep yourself safe. This technique ensures even cleaning and prevents the high-pressure water from concentrating on one spot for too long. Remember, you're dealing with high-pressure water. It can cause serious injury if not handled properly, so always be cautious. Steer clear of electrical components. Water and electricity don't mix, and the last thing you need is a short circuit. Be mindful of any electrical parts and avoid spraying them directly. For vehicles, start at the top and work your way down. This way, dirty water won't drip onto areas you've already cleaned. It's a simple tip, but it makes a big difference in the final result. Trust me, it's a game changer. You'll save time and effort by following this method. When rinsing off detergent or degreaser, go with a low pressure setting and a wide spray pattern. This ensures you're not leaving any residue behind. A thorough rinse is crucial to prevent any chemical buildup that could damage the surface over time. Finally, let the surface air dry or use a clean dry cloth to wipe off any remaining water. And voila, you've got a clean machine. Taking the time to dry the surface properly will prevent water spots and streaks. By following these tips, you'll master the art of pressure washing heavy machinery and vehicles safely and effectively. Just remember to use caution and common sense. These are powerful tools, and using them responsibly is key to getting great results. And always wear that protective gear. It's better to be safe than sorry. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident tackling your next pressure washing project. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy cleaning. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the task at hand might be too big or too complicated to tackle on your own. That's when it's time to call in the professionals. For all your power washing needs, contact Jabez Power Washing at 404-964-2243. They have the expertise and equipment to handle even the toughest jobs, ensuring your machinery and vehicles are cleaned to perfection. Jabez Power Washing specializes in heavy machinery and vehicle cleaning, and their team is trained to handle the most challenging grime and dirt. With their professional-grade pressure washers and eco-friendly detergents, they can make your machines look brand new without any hassle. Plus, they prioritize safety and efficiency, so you can trust that your equipment is in good hands. So if you ever find yourself overwhelmed or simply want to save time, don't hesitate to reach out to Jabez Power Washing. Let the pros take care of the hard work while you sit back and enjoy the results. Remember, sometimes the best DIY tip is knowing when to call an expert. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy cleaning!